Okay, so you wanna know how to put on Apple's crossbody strap, and you wanna do it as quickly as possible. That's what I'm here for. We're gonna need 3 things. 1, you need a crossbody strap. 2, you need these little eyelet things. And 3, you need a compatible iPhone case. Now, if you wanna know which cases will work with the crossbody strap, I have a video linked up above that will help you out. But just know, really quickly, that it does need these little holes here. So in this case, this is the Sienna case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. We're gonna take one of these little guys. We are going to put it in one of the holes this way. Now it doesn't matter if you start on the right side or the left side, as long as you feed it from the outside of the case and feed it in, like so. And then we take the metal piece and we make a nice little loop. There we have it. Now for the other one, exactly the same. We're going to pick one of the outside holes to start with, feed it in through the inside, and then I like to kind of squish this, make this a little tight so it's easy to go through this hole right here on the outside. Pull through, pull the metal part through the loop. There we go. So next up, we take our crossbody strap, we open up these buttons here, and these are aluminum. They're very well made, actually. So next part here, you guys, I like to sort out the strap. So you can start by making it nice and even. Don't worry about sizing or this little thing that's happening. We'll adjust that later. But what I like to do is I will take one side, go and put it in, snap our fancy metal button there. We'll take the other side, and what I like to do is I like to actually flip it so that it is going in a different way on this side, and you'll see why in a second. And then we put our button on that one. Okay, so for adjusting the strap, it's pretty easy to do. Right now I have it as short as it can possibly go, because that is how I would personally wear it. But in order to adjust the strap, you take these little silver pieces here. Now, if you move them up, you're going to make the band longer. If you move them down this way, you're gonna make the band shorter. Now, if you wanna make the band as short as it can be, you wanna put these little pieces down towards the buttons, like I have here. Now, the next hardest part is getting it nice and even. And I've actually done a pretty decent job, so yay me. One thing that's really nice about this is this strap is magnetic, so you'll notice it coming together right there. So it's actually very easy to fit properly. And if I put it over my shoulder and I pan down a little bit for you guys, you'll see why I chose to put the loops in kind of the opposite way. And it's so it sits very nicely along your back and your front. I notice if you put the loops the same way over here, it kind of lumps around either the front or the back. But if you do it this way, it sits nice and evenly on both sides. So that's my little pro tip for you guys. And side note, what do you think of this pretty little color? I might just rock this on the regular, you know? There we have it, you guys. The quickest way to put on Apple's crossbody strap. If this video helped you, all I ask is that you leave a like. And if you want to see other Apple content, I've got plenty of other videos on the channel, like these two right here. I'll see you in one of those. Bye.